The Aqara E1 Smart Home Camera is a 2K resolution camera with a 101-degree field of view. It has a strong pan range and a medium tilt range. It has strong image processing and great options for free storage, as well as a paid option for cloud storage. But is it worth it? The E1 is very strong during the day with its incredible looking footage coming from its lens and its strong sensor. This camera has been built to provide really good footage. It has onboard SD card storage, which means you can locally store your recordings, and Aqara offers a free 12-second recording on their own cloud storage service for any event that occurs in your home. If you want more than that, there are plans and future plans for NAS storage if you're into that. In our evaluation of 7 pan and tilt cameras, it looked the best in almost every daytime situation. We could change lighting, put lighting in the background, or put it behind the camera. It just performed well. In the evening, it did add some artifacts to the footage, but this doesn't tend to affect the footage that much. But it was noted as being a little distracting and brought down our ratings for this camera a little bit. In terms of security, this allows you to detect motion and people. In the future, Aqara tells us they'll be able to detect sound, and they say all of this is out to about 30 feet. Our testing concluded that that was fairly accurate, and you also have great options for where you detect things and how sensitive you want the camera to be. But the most important question here is, how good is it at detecting people and then notifying and recording? And on that front, it was actually near perfect. That's how this camera performs. It is nearly perfect for people who want a camera who can track people through a space, record them, and even automate based off of those things. Automations run fast because of the processing power that's been placed into this camera too. This is great at that. And for those of you who want to get good quality footage whenever someone's in your space, this is a great option.